I have this Roborock vacuum, which I love. It has a base with a water refill and vacuum, so I can just leave it there and it automatically cleans the house. The issue I have is that actually it uses quite a bit of water, so I needed to refill a couple times a week because I run it quite often. So I didn't like it. So I did the following. So I press the button and it starts washing the mop, preparing for mopping. Once it's finish the washing the mop and start moving. This door automatically opens and it goes ahead and washing, and that's where my station is. So to make station autofill, so that I don't need to fill, I purchased on AliExpress the autofill like addition that is actually designed for pure Vivo, and it's integrated with the app, and that's how it goes. So if you want, I have, of course, I added some sensors there. There is a magnet on top that senses when it's on the base. And I added the linear actuator to open the door when necessary. And it's all connected through Home Assistant. And if you want details on how to set it up, please leave the comments. And if I see there is an interest, I'll create a longer video with description. And once robot finished cleaning, it gets back to the station. And once it's in the station, okay, it didn't dock, it needs to second try. Alright, looks like it's docked. So once it's docked, ta-da!